Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are making jalapeno popper dip. So if you are looking for a dip recipe that is addictive, that is going to please the crowd and disappear quick, this is the one. And of course, it's easy. Let's go. Okay, first step, we're gonna add our room temperature cream cheese into a large bowl. Next, we're gonna add in some sour cream. Dump that sour cream right on the end there. And then I also like to add a little bit of mayonnaise. Okay, there's the mayonnaise right there. I'm using Duke's mayonnaise because I really like it. It's my favorite kind, but use your favorite mayonnaise. Okay, now go ahead and just stir this up. Now, if your cream cheese was like really room temperature, you could probably just do this by hand, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just break out this mixer just to get everything all creamy. And now is the time to add in all of those spices. I have got this thing spiced to perfection, you guys. Yeah, I got some chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, all that good stuff. Go ahead and dump that in and then just mix it all around so that it is well combined. Now comes our jalapenos. Use some canned diced jalapenos. I'm using the hot variety, and this really isn't a hot dip to me. It has like a little bit of kick, but nothing too intense. Like my kids, they eat this dip, so yeah, not that spicy at all. Next, I have some bacon. I have reserved about a 1/4 cup of bacon, but we're gonna put this into our little mixture here. I'm using turkey bacon. Okay, just go ahead and mix that up. This is a very easy dip. And now for our cheeses. The first cheese I'm gonna put in here is some Colby Jack. Make sure you shred it up yourself because it melts really bomb when you shred it up yourself. So there's my Colby Jack going in there. Okay, and next I'm going to add in some mild cheddar cheese. Okay, we're gonna put that mild cheddar cheese, just stir it up, get it all combined, and it's gonna be looking like this right here. Now it's the time for you to taste it. Adjust the seasonings if you need to. Add salt, add pepper. It was perfect, so I didn't add anything else to this. So now you want to go ahead and place it into your casserole dish. You're gonna spread this out into a nice even layer, just like this. That looks perfect. Oh my god, this dip is so good. Okay, yeah, spread it out just like that. And now we're just going to top it with that remaining cheese. I just got some mozzarella cheese, the Colby Jack, and the mild cheddar. Just gonna mix it up in a bowl and then just go ahead and sprinkle it all over the top of this dish. Okay, just like that. Great. And next I'm gonna add in that reserved bacon. Dump that right on top. And then, because I want this dish to look really pretty, I'm gonna add on some parsley because parsley just makes it look so pretty. I'm using dried parsley right here. Sprinkle that parsley on, and then that is it. Such an easy dish. All right, so now we have to bake it. We have to melt all that cheese. So I'm gonna pop this into my oven. I have my oven at 350. I'm gonna bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes, and when it comes out, here it is. All right, all that cheese is melted. It's looking fabulous. While it's cooling off, we're gonna make these buttered baguettes because honey, when you are serving jalapeno popper dip, you need to serve it with buttered baguettes because crackers, vegetables, no. Buttered baguettes all day is so good. So just butter them up, pop them into the oven really quick to toast them until they're golden, and then you're done. Your dip is ready to go, ready to serve. Aren't they pretty? They're so golden. They're so good with this dip. But that is it, you guys. A very easy and simple dip. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh yeah, and I also like to add a little bit of green garnish on top. You can use cilantro, parsley, green onions. Just get a little pop of green, you know. Okay, now that is really it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Later.